There was a lot of emotions going through my head. Yeah, just the fact that I could feel, just the fact that I could feel my mum there with me. We just knew that her presence was there with me when I was walking on stage. Having my auntie and uncle from home just kind of been that comfort that I need, you know, just to know that we not only did it, but we did it, you know, we did it together. She said, no matter what, you're still going to go. You know, that was her thing. She's like, you're still going to go. That was a promise that I had to keep to her. But it wasn't only a promise that I wanted to keep, it was something that I wanted to do for myself as well. No one in my family has ever graduated from a higher education, so I'm the first one in my family to come to a university and let alone go away with a degree in Pacific Island Studies. Being a student wasn't really in the books for me. I didn't do well in high school and college. PCC actually drew me into coming to Hawai'i to, I guess, perform.
From New Zealand, Irene Tawa.
The fact that I actually got to walk across the stage and to get my degree, to have a couple of my whānau in the crowd as well, made me feel proud for myself and for my whānau. She knew the journey that I had to take to come here. She knew that I needed to come here to kind of set that pathway for the rest of my whānau. Know that there are definitely more bigger and brighter things in the world. And it doesn't even have to be here in Hawaii. It could still be back in Aotearoa, you know, doing things for your whānau. Going to a higher education, sharing your culture, even being around your culture is just as important as well.
Ko te reo